The mechanization of numerous areas in the worldwide market has developed quickly over the course of the years as the industrialization of in a real sense each part of human existence became typical, like food administration, transportation, trade, and the travel industry. This progress has helped the general improvement of significant pieces of the market and the persistent joining of the conventional monetary market with the computerized resources industry. Tokenization of these modern cycles has turned into a basic element in empowering the development of the area in man-made consciousness, correspondences, and so on. One of these tokens is the Ariva, ARV, coin. What is Ariva, ARV? Ariva is a BEP20 token sent off on the Binance Chain network by Ariva company that objectives the travel industry and cordiality area while making progress toward the worldwide reception of the advanced government capital. ARV has become one well-known token from the main quarter of 2022 in spite of the variances in the crypto market. It has worked for the movement organizations, and global the travel industry specialist co-ops reproduced on clients' past encounters and criticism. An explorer can make appointments with a cryptographic money while getting compensated for dropping criticism and sharing sagacious substance. Ariva, ARV, is supporting the concentrated coordination of digital forms of money into the regular day-to-day existence of a run-of-the-mill individual while offering the buyers an awe-inspiring encounter and quick installment network with their cryptographic money. As indicated by the ARV network designer, the vacationer business faces significant difficulties, similar to the need to convey cash, and the misfortunes caused as a result of trade rates. Ariva will dispense with these difficulties and make voyaging simple and valuable. The organization's primary point is to facilitate the expense of executing a high measure of cash while keeping up with the undeniable level security that the blockchain gives. They offer an answer for an expensive issue in the worldwide neighborliness economy, which likewise incorporates the steady trade of nearby monetary standards before a client is taken care of. Ariva, ARV, fundamental analysis. Starting from the making of the social money Ariva coin, the online entertainment presence has been amazing, a direct result of its inventive help and ideas with the dynamic local area of in excess of 200,000 holders. As of late, ARV was recorded on significant trades, including bank, such as WAP, Stock, Whitebit, 1inch Organization, XD.com, Hotbit, PancakeSwap, Asbit, Dodo BSC, and Probit Global. They have facilitated numerous occasions that title the development and joining of blockchain innovation into the business and have since collaborated with critical organizations in the area. Ariva has collaborated with the Global Tourism Forum and World Tourism Forum Establishment, WFI, two foundations that were made to universally empower the travel industry, social exercises. The numerous occasions that have been facilitated in the principal quarter of 2022 were worried about the revolutionization of the travel industry and travel area that executed the blockchain, expanding the extensive variety of installment decisions for explorers. Tokenomics. Ariva's white paper isn't very much itemized about the deflationary strategies and consuming procedures that are applied to the ARV coin. Ariva has a greatest all-out supply of 93.64 billion tokens, which was recently fixed at 100 billion tokens. After the authority send-off of the coin, around 63% was offered to general society, while the leftover sum was allotted for stockpiling in view of trade liquidity and improvement endeavors on the organization. Notwithstanding, ARV consumes a piece of their symbolic conveyance of 6.63 billion toward the finish of each and every year, prompting an underlying cost ascend before a half-cost drop. The resource is profoundly unpredictable yet has areas of strength for an outline. Ariva ecosystem. The Ariva, ARV, environment, which is still a work in progress in 2022, highlights many parts that add to the smooth running of the general organization, and they are: Ariva.world, a digital currency upheld stage for decentralized travel and the travel industry where clients can communicate with neighborhood specialist co-ops for appointments and reservations, local escorts, and numerous different administrations while being compensated in ARV for important substance sharing on the entryway. Ariva, ARV, current price. Ariva is presently worth $0.000124. Arv has moved 4.93% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,375,631. Ariva is presently positioned 794 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $8,979,441. Ariva, Arv, Price Prediction 2022. Ariva, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. Arv. The Arv cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.000186. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.000173 and cost is very aggressive, however it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Arv is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000149. Ariva, Arv, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Ariva Arv cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Arv will before long outperform $0.000309. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Arv's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Arv will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000248 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.000272. Ariva, Arv, Price Prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.000433 and Arv might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Arv is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.000396 and a low of $0.000371 in 2024. Ariva, Arv, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming Ariva effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Arv coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Arv will be green in 2025. The Arv is supposed to reach and outperform its Untitled